Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Dirk and today we're looking at the Viltrox H18, an RGB LED stick light. Well, I have this light now for quite a few weeks and yet I struggled with this video. Why is that? Don't get me wrong, this is an amazing light and it's very versatile, but it has a couple of hiccups. It comes in a nice upholstered carrying case. Included are the power cable, the power adapter, a mini tripod, and of course the H18 itself, including some barn doors. They call it light barrier leaves. It is a big surprise. Despite its large size, it is a lightweight and it's very easy to hold and to handle. The power button is on this side. And on the other side, across from it, is where you plug in your power adapter. Interestingly, one side of the H18 operates in CCT mode, and here you can adjust the color temperature in 100 Kelvin increments from 2800 Kelvin all the way to 6800 Kelvin. All the other modi, everything color related, is on the other side of the H18, and this is where the display is at. Oh, and if you're asking about the leaves, we give it a push from underneath, and then we can just flip it around and bring it back. So now we can direct the light and make sure it doesn't spread in areas where we don't want it. If we want to use the RGB mode, this is on this side of the light. You can operate this light manually here by holding and pressing the middle button for a few seconds and then, whoa! See, this is what I struggled with. If you operate the light from here, then it is quite difficult to even read the display because you're exposed to this bright light. In order to fully utilize the RGB mode and everything that comes with the colors, we need to operate it using the WeLight app or the WeLight Pro app. On the app, we can cycle 360 through all the colors. Even the color picker works here on this app. That's fantastic. So it picks up a color from your surroundings and it matches the light output from the H18. We can also use the special effects that are built in the H18. It works flawless. This is an 18-watt light and it is very bright. Alright, now in this example, I'm using the H18 as my only key light. I still have a rim light here and we wanted to see if it actually works, if I could use this as a key light replacement. What are your thoughts? I used the H18 as a rim light when I took pictures of models. I also used it in previous videos to color my background, and I was very impressed with the color output. The H18 operates with professional grade colors. We have a CRI and a TLCI of about 95. On the bottom we have air vents and a 3/4 thread, so we can attach the H18 to a stand or to a tripod. And on the top we also have very large air vents and a 3/4 thread. Pressing and holding the center button will get us from the CCT mode into the different color modi, and vice versa, from the color modi to the CCT mode. And once you're on the color modi, if you simply tap the center button, it gets us from HSL to RGB to color and to the scene mode where we have the special effects available. Pressing here on this dial wheel to the right, we will raise the value. Pressing to the left, we will lower the value, or we can also cycle through values using this turn wheel. We can go up and down on the different items in the menu here by pressing up or down. And like I said, if we want to switch modi, we simply push the button in the center. The operation using the WeLight Pro app makes it versatile, makes it easy. Just here the display, I wish they would have put it to the side so that we wouldn't be exposed directly to the brightness of the light while trying to read the display. Overall, the H18 has a really great quality and I enjoy using it a lot. These are my thoughts about the Viltrox H18. What are yours? Let me know in the comments below, I'll definitely respond. Thanks so much for watching this video. Come back soon again. Bye for now.